Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your phone is unlocked and connected, and note whether it's Android or iPhone because controls differ. Once done, open Settings and search for Notifications or Sound and Vibration. On Android, you may see a separate Wireless Emergency Alerts entry. On iPhone, go to Settings, Notifications, then scroll. Starting here saves time and ensures you access the correct menu for toggling alert types without guessing. Now navigate the specific controls. On iPhone, scroll to the bottom of Notifications and toggle off Emergency Alerts and Public Safety Alerts. On many Androids, open Wireless Emergency Alerts and switch off categories like Amber, Extreme, and Severe. If your phone groups them, tap each category to disable individually. Make sure to confirm any prompts. If labels differ, use the settings search bar for exact words like emergency or wireless. Finish by restarting your phone so the changes take full effect. Once restarted, test by reviewing alert settings again. If alerts keep arriving, make sure carrier-level alerts aren't enforced and check any third-party apps with notification permissions that might mirror alerts. As a short-term workaround, enable Do Not Disturb or set notifications to silent, but remember that may block important non-emergency notices. If problems persist, contact your carrier, since some emergency alerts are mandated and can't be fully turned off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.